And what if I told you that you can obtain the complete Office package without resorting to piracy directly from Microsoft at no cost and have it installed on your computer? That's what I just did. You can take a look here. This here is the Office package that I just downloaded and installed, and I already have the programs open here to show you. Word is fully logged in here with my Microsoft account, as you can see. So therefore it's official. You can link it to your Microsoft account. No problem. Excel and also PowerPoint. Why? Microsoft has made available for free in a specific way, a specific method for you to download and install the Office package on your computer for free without paying anything. For that, you will have the opportunity to become a tester. Just like you can test some applications on your phone, being a beta tester, you can also be a tester for the Office package. In exchange, they provide it free. They'll collect the data there, check for any errors, bugs in the program, and fix them. Just a reminder that practically these programs here come without any errors. Rarely will you have a problem or two here, but believe me, 99.9% of the time you won't have any problem at all. How do you manage to be a tester and have the Office package available for you to use on your computer for free? Open browser on Google, search for this term. Office 365 Developer, you know? Deal. Here's the deal. And you're going to click on the first link that's going to show up there in the description, and you're going to click here on Join Now. Now you're going to log in with your Microsoft account if you have one. If you don't have it, just click here for you to create an account and continue. As a user with an account, I'll log in now by clicking here. To prevent the browser from saving my password, I'll indicate that I don't want to stay logged in. And look, at this moment, we're going to continue filling in some information here. You are going to select your country here, so in this particular case, it is Brazil. The name of the company, if you don't have a company, it's no problem. You can use your own name. I'm going to put my name here, all right? It can also be with space, no problem at all. Lucas Carvalho. And the language I'm going to put here, Portuguese Brazil. You have to click here that you accept. Just by checking this little box here, you can proceed. In this term here, it is precisely stating that you will receive an Office package to test for a while, which in this case is 90 days, but it is likely to be renewed, so you will be able to have practically unlimited access to it, and you will agree with these terms in order to send the data to them as well. And you're going to click here on Next. Now down here, you are going to tell me why you want to use it. I'm going to put Personal Projects here. Click Next as well. Now here on this screen, you're going to check this option here, Microsoft Teams, and click on Save. On this screen, you can check this first option right here and click on Next. Up here, you can mark South America, Brazil. Now you're going to create a username. I am going to input this username here, and now you're going to generate a password following the guidelines that Microsoft requests for here, all right? I'm going to generate an automatic password here through Google, but you can be creating your password there. Just type in your username, password, and then click here below on Continue. Now you're going to enter a cell phone number here. Put your cell phone number because you're going to get a code in it for you to confirm your number too. You entered your phone number, click down here to send the code. After receiving the SMS, enter the code here and click on Setup below to proceed. Now you must have landed here on this screen showing that you have 90 days to test, and as time goes by, they usually renew this here too, all right? And if it doesn't load this here for you with this information, you can come here to Developer, Program My Dashboard to update this page, or you keep hitting F5 to refresh here until it loads this information, all right? Here below will be shown that. Now we're going to log into the Microsoft account using this administrator email that Microsoft created for us and the password you set up in the previous step, which we set up in that pop-up window in the previous step. Now you got to access Microsoft 365, so open a new tab there, click on Microsoft 365, search on Google, and you can access here. Look, the first result, Microsoft 365, so we can log in using this new account we created. So we're going to use this email here and the password we set up in the previous step. Click here to enter. He already entered with an account here, not the account I want, okay? So we'll add this new email and this new account. I am going to click here to connect with a different account because usually it is already saved here, the email we used, and I'm going to put the email that Microsoft provided for us there. Email appears here in admin. Click here to enter. Now in the password, you're going to enter the password that you set up. You entered the password, click on enter. I don't want to save. You can put it here to ask later. You don't need to click here to proceed for you to confirm with your cell phone. Click here to ask later, and I don't want to stay connected, so I'm going to put here that I don't. Now check this out. You've got a sweet new access to Microsoft 365 with the Office package using this developer account. And now here inside the panel, all you have to do is come here to install apps and click here to download Microsoft 365. When you click here to download, it will download this little file that I already have downloaded here, which is the Office setup. With this app downloaded, all you have to do is run and install it on your PC. He's going to start downloading the tools, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. However, you may encounter a problem when logging in. When you first open Word, it might recognize your old email account that is linked to your computer system, which can cause difficulties in accessing your account. So let me type in Word. I'm going to open it. Now it will open automatically, but it will probably open a window here, identifying your old email account that is already linked to your PC. Just select to open with a different email account right there in the little window, and then you'll actually enter the email account we just used to log in, which is this email here. And the password you set to log in here on your Word, okay? That's how it works. Just come down here on the account, click there, change accounts, and then you'll log in with the account. Add a new account here, that's the one we're using. So you'll have Office installed for free on your PC. If you like this video, go ahead and share it with that friend who needs it. Comment below if it worked for you too, and give it a like to show support. Subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials like this video, which you may have needed or may still need someday. See you in the next video. Thanks.